Alright, Dave here with MRT, and we are at the SEMA Garage Detroit, and we are so happy to announce a new high-performance H Pipe for the Rubicon 392. Designed and engineered with premium quality T304 stainless steel and then CNC mandrel bent for the best performance and sound. Handcrafted right here in Plymouth, Michigan, USA. So this system deletes the stock resonator as well as the stock X pipe, providing a straight-through design with an H pipe. The MRT Street Race H pipe provides a deeper performance sound. By retaining the stock valves, you're in complete control of how loud you want to be.